What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how you can install the Dreamcast emulator on your Android smartphone. So you can play awesome games like right here Shenmue or right here Sonic. Why not? Let's go ahead and have a quick look for the proof of functioning before I get into the how to. So let's go ahead and skip the intro. I'm not playing with a Bluetooth controller. I had some issues. I have a whole bunch of Bluetooth controllers, but the one with the analog stick for right here had issues getting paired. I guess the right here the Dreamcast emulator doesn't like it. But as you can see, it works if I would pay attention to what I'm actually playing. But since this is just a proof of function, gameplay right now isn't really the most important thing right there. But you can jump, you can break, as you can see, and do all of your actions with all the in-screen buttons and stuff like that. So let's get to the installation. In order to play your favorite Dreamcast games from the past, you should search up a Dreamcast emulator. Yeah, okay. There you go, Dreamcast emulator. And then the Raycast is basically the only emulator there is on the market. So just go ahead, right here you would hit install. Since I already have it installed, I would have just tapped open. You can get a BIOS file right here, but that didn't work out for me, so I'm going to place the necessary BIOS files that you need into the description. After you have installed the emulator, just go ahead to your file manager on your main device, internal memory. You will have to create a folder called DC. In order to create that folder, just go ahead, create a folder, and then make sure it's not going to be in caps, meaning this wouldn't be no good. So you have to make sure they're all small letters, and then just type in DC, create that folder. Inside DC, again, you'll have to create a folder called data, where you then will place in the DC boot bin and the DC flash bin. Okay, just copy those files after you downloaded them into DC /data. Into the ISO, you will place your backup of your games, and that is pretty much already all it to it. Okay, that's all you gotta do. Then you will start the emulator. You can go ahead, tap right here, boot Dreamcast BIOS. Right here you have some additional settings. Just do it like I did, because otherwise I had issues that it will always crash or won't start the game or anything. So just do it basically what I did. Again, you can always refer to my written tutorial from my website. That's okay. Right there I'm gonna have everything written down again. But it's as easy as that to install the Dreamcast emulator and the necessary files that you will need for it that do not come with this emulator. You can go right here, input. If you have a Bluetooth controller, for instance, just go right here, pair the Bluetooth controller with your device, and then make sure it is selected right here, and not saying controller, no controller selected. Make sure it will have something like this written down. Then you can go into manual and then command all the buttons, otherwise you will be pretty much left without. Okay, when you start up the emulator, down here you will see your games. I played Shenmue on it. It worked pretty okay. Some fighting games. Works pretty decently. Definitely, for considering that it's the only Dreamcast emulator out there on the Play Store market. Pretty awesome. I like it. So this is pretty much it. Then you would just tap the game and enjoy your gameplay. So thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, now it's a good time to keep up with a lot of more cool stuff. Talking about Bluetooth controllers. I have a lot of reviews on several Bluetooth controllers. Check out more tutorials on how to modify. For instance, right here, the Note 3. I gave it the S5 bubble icon look and several different things, or how to set up with a launcher, how to set your device up to look very awesome like nobody else has it, instead of using the regular touch user interface, and so much more cool stuff coming up. I'm Brian from Pocket Hype. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna enjoy seeing you in the next video. Peace. I'm out.